Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to fix not enough Solana Phantom wallet. So to get started with the guide, this error means whenever you come up with this kind of error, this actually means your wallet doesn't have enough Solana to cover up network fee or a transaction. And here's a quick guide on how to fix it. So the first step is to check your Solana balance. So open your Phantom, look at your Solana account or the amount, then you need at least 0.1 to 0.05 Solana for most transactions. Then on step 2, you have to get more Solana. Then choose one of these options, buy Solana in Phantom wallet, or you can also buy using the Palmpay or Coinbase Pay. Then once you do that, start by, then choose the provider, enter the amount, then click pay. Then Solana, then send Solana from another wallet or exchange. So copy your wallet address, send Solana from Binance, Coinbase, and other platform. Then retry this transaction. So once your Solana is topped up, go back and complete your swap, stake, or transfer, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.